Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're breaking down how regular people turned small investments into millions. No lottery tickets, just smart moves. We'll reveal the top 10 investments that created the most millionaires, from stocks to crypto and beyond. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're real strategies that changed lives. We'll show you how they did it, what the returns looked like, and the key lessons you can use. Let's dive in. First up, Apple. Back in 1980, most people didn't see the potential in personal computers. But those who invested $1,000 in Apple's IPO and held on through the ups and downs are now millionaires. The lesson: believe in innovation and stay patient. Long-term conviction pays off. Sometimes, the biggest wins come from backing bold ideas before they're obvious. Next, Bitcoin. In 2010, it was worth just 8 cents. Now it's made countless millionaires. Early adopters weren't Wall Street pros, they were tech enthusiasts who saw the potential of decentralized currency. By 2017, those who invested early saw life-changing returns. The takeaway: calculated risks on emerging tech can pay off big if you do your homework. It's not gambling, it's about spotting revolutionary ideas early. Sometimes, the future is built by those willing to take a chance. Tesla's rise was all about believing in Elon Musk's vision. Early investors faced skepticism and volatility, but those who stuck with it saw returns over 10,000%. The lesson: innovation, patience, and backing disruptive leaders can lead to massive rewards. Sometimes the best investments are the ones everyone else doubts. Amazon started as an online bookstore in 1997. Few saw its potential. Jeff Bezos reinvested relentlessly, expanding into everything from cloud computing to groceries. A $1,000 IPO investment is now worth over $2 million. The key: trust companies with a bold vision and obsession with customers. Real estate is a classic path to wealth. Slow, steady, and reliable. Appreciation and rental income build wealth over time, and leverage lets you scale up. Your tenants help pay off your investment, creating passive income. Real assets offer stability and a clear path to financial freedom. Sometimes, the old ways still work best. Index funds, especially those tracking the S&P 500, have quietly made millions. Consistent investing and letting compound interest work its magic is the secret. You don't need to pick winners, just bet on the market's long-term growth. Time in the market beats timing the market every time. Netflix reinvented itself from mailing DVDs to streaming, outlasting Blockbuster. Early investors who believed in the pivot saw returns over 40,000%. The lesson: companies that adapt and evolve win big. Don't underestimate the power of reinvention. Startup investing is risky, but the rewards can be massive. Think Uber or Airbnb. Early backers did deep research and took big risks, sometimes turning $25,000 into millions. For every winner, many startups fail, so you need a strong network and a high-risk tolerance. The lesson is: asymmetric returns are possible, but only for those willing to do the work and stomach the risk. Bet on visionary founders, not just ideas. Collectibles, art, vintage cars, watches, even rare sneakers have become serious investments. Scarcity and cultural significance drive value, but success comes from deep knowledge and passion. Investors who treat their hobbies like businesses can see huge returns. Turn your passion into profit, but do your research. The best investment? Yourself. Learning high-income skills, like coding, sales, or marketing, boosts your earning power and seeds future investments. Every millionaire started by learning something new. Knowledge compounds faster than money, and no one can take it from you. The more you learn, the more you earn. Those are the top 10 investments that turned ordinary people into millionaires. The common threads: patience, learning, and the courage to act. It's not luck, it's about being prepared and thinking long-term. Which investment inspired you most? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, George or Domin Stan so. And stay tuned for more ways to build your wealth. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. See you next time.